Welcome back. I am Eve, first officer of this crypto starship, and I will be covering a very interesting cryptocurrency that you can actually program to do stuff. Any guesses? It's called Ethereum. We, the crew on board, are passionate educators about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Our mission here is to explain things better in bite size so you can make informed decisions along your crypto journey. If you like our efforts, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay up to date. Ethereum, or Ether with the abbreviation code of ETH, is special, a type of cryptocurrency more than just a medium of exchange. Remember Captain Bit explained about Bitcoin during our takeoff? It's decentralized, digital, and can function as currency. Ethereum has all those functions, and what makes it extra special is that you can actually develop programs on the Ethereum blockchain. Think of Ethereum like the internet. Anyone can develop a website and launch it on the internet. The same thing, anyone can develop a decentralized application and run it on the Ethereum blockchain. But if it's similar to what we already have, Bitcoin, then what makes Ethereum so special? Well, it's because unlike normal programs on the internet, which are controlled by humans or organizations, decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain are controlled by smart contracts. So what is a smart contract? To put it simply, a program that allows two parties to conduct transactions with each other without needing to trust a third party. Let me explain in an example. Let's say you wanted to take a bank loan. In this case, the bank is the important party that has to handle everything. Lots of bank's requirements you need to meet, like legal age, bank account, enough collateral, wait in line for your turn, signing lots of papers, and the bank will check your records. Simply put it, complicated processes, and in the end no guarantee you even get the loan. Banks often reject loan requests if they feel that you don't qualify or something else. You see, banks are run by humans that can make mistakes to even be prejudiced. If you use a smart contract, you'd be able to take the loan immediately without having to interact with a single person. It's just you and the smart contract interacting. The smart contract is a program. It cannot discriminate against anyone. It doesn't care who you are, where you come from. As long as you have the collateral, in this case cryptocurrency, the loan is approved pretty much instantly. A simple example is our Malaysia toll model. Traditionally, a human will assist your toll payment before opening the barrier gate, letting you continue your journey. This has some inconveniences, such as he or she may not have enough changes, teller machine malfunction, receipt issuing problem, or even a need to use the restroom. With a smart contract like Touch and Go, Smart Tag or RFID touchless technologies, the smart contract code only verify you have enough money before letting you proceed without single human interaction. It's quite incredible, and it's gonna be interesting to see how it affects the worldwide banking industry. Think about it. Which one seems more efficient to you? That's what smart contracts are trying to achieve. It's trying to take all those processes that used to have a lot of humans involved, take out all human beings, include their errors and mistakes. Just punch in a code, run on Ethereum blockchain, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This to life far more efficient. When you combine multiple smart contracts, stack them together to make applications that can process more complex transactions. That's what we call decentralized applications, or dApps for short. You may just be wondering, since we have a bank doing all of this for us, what are the advantages of changing over to smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps? The first is immutability. The blockchain cannot be changed. When it's done, or what I called carved on stone, absolutely critical in terms of trust and transparency. Second, transparency. When someone creates a smart contract for a dApps, the code and transaction are published publicly online. Everyone can see, review and audit if they want to, if they have internet. Nobody can hide, change or delete the code or transactions. Third, is availability. Ethereum blockchain running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It never goes to sleep, sick or even break down. As long there is one computer running a smart contract, it's up and always ready to serve you. Have you faced this before? Want to send money or do shopping, but the website or even app shows you busy, under maintenance, traffic jam, or even offline? Frustrated? With a smart contract, this problem wouldn't even exist. Imagine if all companies or even government processes were executed on smart contract. It will be immutable, transparent and available 24/7 for all to access and audit. I think absolutely be a lot less corruption and mismanagement, don't you agree? That's one thing worth looking forward to in a world governed by smart contracts. Of course nothing is perfect, it's important to consider the downside also when using smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Firstly, immutability is the strength, but it could be a downside. This is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's good to ensure things don't just change as people want. On the other hand, smart contracts are written by human programmers and we all do make mistakes. A smart contract that has problems can also remain online indefinitely and might further compound unless there's a way to solve it. Secondly, about transparency. Yes, it's good for smart contract developers to be transparent with their code and everyone can take a look at it. The downside is that hackers are also studying these codes in detail to find any vulnerability for further exploitation. The third challenge is scalability. dApps can only be as fast as the network that they're built on. Initially, it was pretty fast, but it had to accommodate the explosive adoption and future growth. The network often gets congested and expensive to use. The cost of using any blockchain is referred to as gas fees. Let's talk more about it. Nothing good in life comes for free. To understand in simple terms, imagine you're driving on 5 lanes highway and it's rush hours traffic. Everyone going at the same time leads to massive traffic jams. The longer you are stuck in the jam, the more petrol your car has to burn to keep the engine running. That's the same with any blockchain network. The more congested, the higher the gas fees. All transactions processed in any blockchain need miners to process them. Gas fees are the payment to encourage faster processing. The more you pay, the faster you get your transaction processed, vice versa. In a blockchain network, we measure gas fees in GWI. In fact, we can see live transactions like students hopping on school buses on this website called txstreet.com. You can go in and have a look. Let's talk a bit about the Ethereum ecosystem. It was founded by Vitalik Buterin. This chap and others launched in July 2015. The mission was to provide opportunities for developers to create and run decentralized applications. The Bitcoin network is unfortunately slow and unsuitable for running smart contracts, which provide Ethereum with the best opportunities to grow the decentralized finance DeFi landscape. The ecosystem nowadays is massive, from every traditional finance system on Earth. From decentralized asset management tools like MetaMask and Trust Wallet, which allow absolutely anyone with the internet to hold cryptocurrency for themselves, to decentralized exchanges where billions of cryptocurrencies flow every day without a single human interaction. There are also decentralized lending and borrowing protocols on Ethereum dApps that allowed people to become their own bankers, basically banking with no banks and the unbanked. The Ethereum ecosystem is growing every day, with new projects constantly being added to the network. As a result, gas fees also tends to increase, unfortunately, but thankfully the Ethereum developers are working hard to bring the continuous upgrade. One of it is EIP 1559 and Ethereum 2.0, which aims to make it faster and cheaper gas fees. We will dive into the details if our viewers are interested, so comment below and let us know. If you are also interested in starting investing in cryptocurrencies and owning a piece of the future of banking, then I have good news for you. All you need to do is to download the Luno app. Luno is the first cryptocurrency exchange to get licensed and regulated in Malaysia by Security Commission, so you have peace of mind. Once you have downloaded it, go to the reward section and type this special reward code, NUB8XT. Purchase a minimum of 250 ringgit of any cryptocurrency. You will receive a 25 ringgit reward of Bitcoin. Just make sure to key in the code before any deposit and purchase. I will leave a link also in the below description. Thanks for watching this video on Ethereum.